The 17 and 18 Impreza and the 18 Crosstrek, the 18 Legacy and Outback have individual tire pressure readings, which means that you can tell what the PSI is in each of the 4 tires. However, they come from the factory set to a metric tire pressure unit. That is kilopascals. Most people can't understand the conversion from kilopascals to PSI, and your tire pressure units that are written on your door jamb are in PSI, so that's what most people are used to. To change from kilopascals to PSI, it's pretty straightforward. We want to move right up to our center display and in between our gauges. We want to use the 3 buttons at the lower left side of your steering wheel. Click the down arrow. That'll bring you to this press and hold I/set screen. At this point, pull and hold the middle button. That'll take you in. Now we're already on screen settings, that's where we want to be, so click your middle button and then down arrow until you reach tire pressure units. Clicking the middle button will take us in there, and then a down arrow will select PSI. Now you got to click your middle button, and when you see setting complete, your tire pressure units have changed to PSI.